What a beautiful pound yen, guys. We had yesterday, we had this beautiful rally, squeeze amazing profit. Today, you can see here we've been like price, rejection from both area. But technically, we were looking, our bias was long. So we also had a long, we also had a short. And the last trade we had it at the New York session, beautiful long trade here. Because we can see here the price nicely developed rejection. This was the beautiful rally and nicely profit target hit around this level. Squeeze amazing profit. Let me share with you how we analyze the entries. Hello traders. Today 23rd of April 2025. What a blessing day, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the market and help our traders to squeeze amazing profits. Let's look at the pound dollar. All right, so pound dollar, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a beautiful price nicely broken this low here. I was expecting some price action around this level, but you can see here yesterday at the New York session, we had this beautiful breakout. We were looking this price might get a develop pullback, but instead price developed this impulsive reaction to the downside. So we squeezed this nice rally, squeeze amazing profit. Once the price hit to the support level, we also had a long trade here this morning. And afterwards, we had this beautiful short trade here. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit and help our traders to not miss any opportunity and maximum benefit. So if you look at the yesterday, I did this analysis, as you can see here. This was the after this one. I also did the analysis yesterday. That was the beautiful analysis. If you look at my yesterday analysis review on the YouTube, so we had this beautiful, and afterwards we really enjoyed this rally. Once the price hit to the profit target, we also did a reversal. But again, we look at the price, how the price behaved. Based on that, we develop, as I said to my trader, price was at the major support level in 4 hour, as explained for this breakout. The safest way for us, as mentioned, always to my trader, price nicely broken and give us this pullback. We had this pullback as soon as the price is respecting this area. As explained, my traders time to squeeze amazing profit because this was the counter trade. We had it and squeeze amazing profit on this one. And after banking this profit, we've been taking a short trade, guys. Pretty straightforward, as you can see here. We were looking the price develop certain price action, and this is the amazing price action. We always look for that one. If you look at we have impulsive reaction, and after that, price develop correction. That give us the early sign of rejection and continuation. You can see here beautiful pullback, squeeze amazing profit. Even I did another analysis, look for this breakout just to make sure trader don't miss that opportunity to take the maximum benefit. And this was the analysis. You can see here that was a pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback short trade on pound dollar, squeeze amazing profit. All right, let's look at the pound yen. What a beautiful pound yen, guys. We had yesterday, we had this beautiful rally, squeeze amazing profit. Today, you can see here we've been like price, rejection from both area. But technically, we were looking, our bias was long. So we also had a long, we also had a short. And the last trade we had it at the New York session, beautiful long trade here. Because we can see here the price nicely developed rejection. This was the beautiful rally and nicely profit target hit around this level. Squeeze amazing profit. Let me share with you how we analyze the entries. And if you look at the pound yen, we had a lot of analysis, guys. So highly volatile. So if you look at here, we had this beautiful short trade here, pretty straightforward, squeeze amazing profit on pound yen short trade. And then we also had a counter long trade here, which is again false breakout, beautiful long trade, squeeze amazing profit on pound yen after banking some profit. We also had a short trade here. You can see here that was a pretty straightforward. We always look the structure, the pattern, and a beautiful breakout, squeeze amazing profit on short. And afterwards, we also had a long trade here. Beautiful. You can see here again, price nicely at the support level. Beautiful breakout, pullback, squeeze amazing profit, guys. We had amazing day, guys, with the pound yen. After that, we had a long trade here. That's again pretty straightforward. Price develop false breakout. Again, beautiful long trade here. Squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, price nicely respected. This was the last short trade we had it. And that was the pretty straightforward, as mentioned always to my trader. Look the price action. If you look at, we have impulsive correction, impulsive. This is what happened. We look at a beautiful, as soon as the price is respecting, develop a double bottom here. I said to my trader, there might be a possibility price might gonna break in long here, because in the 4 hour we have seen some lot of rejection, as you can see here. That was the beautiful, the last trade we had it, that was amazing trade, guys. As you can see it, trader are still holding long. Amazing breakout after banking some profit. Look for this breakout, and after that another pullback, squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound yen. So that was a beautiful trade, guys. So let me share with you guys on euro usd. If Euro USD, yesterday we had this beautiful short trade, guys. I was expecting some reaction here, but as you know, the market unpredictable, especially after this the tariff stuff going on. So we have this beautiful breakout, amazing profit. We also had counter long trade here, and afterwards we've been taking a short trade here, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the entries. That's the key important thing. We look at in a 4 hour major support and resistance, and look out for the, this was the beautiful short trade, guys, yesterday. You can see a beautiful pullback, 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 squeeze amazing profit. As soon as the price reversed, breaking the recent high, said to my trader, squeeze amazing profit, and let's see if we can get a counter long trade here. Then we had a beautiful counter long trade, pretty straightforward, squeeze amazing profit. And afterwards, as I said to my trader, any opportunities develop, be careful. So we have, this is the last push. We had it, amazing trade squeeze. After that, as I said to my trader, just keep taking a short trade here, because you can see here the price respected. Beautiful pull back, pull back, pull back. Trader are still holding short on euro usd. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis, but I'm sure you can love it when you see it in real time. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.